If you've ever dreamed of buying your first home but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to make that dream a reality. Let's get started. The first step in buying your first home is setting a budget. Take a close look at your financial situation. Determine how much you can comfortably afford as a down payment and for your monthly mortgage payments. Keep in mind additional costs like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Step 2 is all about improving your credit score. Once your credit is in good shape, it's time to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This involves working with a lender to determine the amount you can borrow. Pre-approval not only helps you understand your budget, but also makes you a more attractive buyer to sellers. Now, next step is to find a trusted real estate agent. A knowledgeable agent can help you navigate the complex process of home buying. They'll listen to your needs, show you suitable properties, and negotiate on your behalf. Once you find your dream home, it's time to make an offer. Your agent will help you determine a fair price and negotiate with the seller. Be prepared for some back and forth, but don't be afraid to stand firm on your terms. With the inspection complete, it's time to finalize your mortgage. Provide all necessary documents and work closely with your lender to ensure a smooth process. Last step is the exciting part, closing the deal. This is where you'll sign the final paperwork, pay your down payment, and receive the keys to your new home. Congratulations! And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to buy your first home. It's a significant milestone in life, and with careful planning and the right support, it can be a smooth and rewarding process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable real estate tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your home buying journey.